We're off to now, Bear.
Mamma och Tommy.
Mamma och Tommy. We're gonna eat kexchoklad on the way.
Okej.
Jajamän.
Så vi har inte borstat tänderna ännu.
Jajamän. One each. Yeah. Oh, delicious. I can't wait. All right. Tack. Hey dog. All right. On our way. Let's go. Hey. So we're getting ready to go to this wedding. It's 15:38. We're probably running really late. And it's raining-ish and really cloudy and really, well, it was windy, extremely windy.
Very windy.
And Sarah's half ready. I'm still wearing my awesome clothes and packing, and that's it. We're going to this wedding.
It's 3 of them.
Yeah,
More
of them.
Five.
5 of them.
Yeah.
6.
This one is crashed.
Oh.
Oh.
Big. Look how many there is.
Oh.
Now we're heading to the wedding.
Yep.
Down at the lake. This place is quite nice. Wet. It's cold. I'm glad I got Heinz's suit jacket.
Yeah.
My pimpin' shoes.
Cold, and I have scarf and.
So we're following people that just are all fancy dressed up. So we hope we're heading in the right direction. There could be more weddings. We'll just rock up and be like, hey, wedding, drinks.
One.
How you going?
Same time.
Same time, bad times, gotta go. Alright, and then, yeah, we'll go
Got the
down the line.
umbrellas.
Yeah, we're set for everything. Heinz is going to go home. By the time he gets home, we'll call him and he has to come back and get us.
Yeah. He's like, oh, I'm gonna go to the
I'm
movies
going to go to the
tonight.
movies. He'll choose a movie at like 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then we'll
And
message
at
him halfway
midnight,
through.
he's like,
Oh, I got 15 phone calls. Oh, real fun.
oh.
It's beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, good.
It's nice. Alright. Hey, doll.
Yay.
So we've just done the beginning of the
The
wedding.
wedding ceremony.
And it was cute. Really cute. I liked it. Sarah
Yeah.
looks stunning.
You
She's
look
the best.
stunning.
And
Emma looks fantastic.
it's gorgeous. It's such a cute thing. I think we've got to go in first. So we'll go. Hey, doll.
Yeah. Where are we going?
What day
Your
is it?
favorite
It's day 4. We're going to XXXXXL.
This is 4.
Yes.
And there's a stadium. I think it's day 4. We went to the wedding last night and that was fantastic. Now
Yeah,
we're
that was
going to buy some more stuff and
This is a shopping trip.
go to Wayne's and see, there's IKEA, there's Ingle something, Stug and Mug and store.
Giganten.
And it's raining, but it's lovely.
Stadium outlet.
And yeah, and Heinz is with us.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're gonna have fun.
And then we're gonna go to Grandma.
Grandma's, hey dog!
Tunnel. 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 Tunnel.
Yeah.
Yay!
Hey hey! Hey hey!
Hur fort kör vi?
Good fortsättning. Almost. Good fortsättning.
I love you.
I love you, baby. Hey.
The same.
Bear, what are we?
Get it open?
Yeah. What are we doing?
Wrapping.
Ripping gifts.
Yeah,
It's
ripping them
ripping. Wrapping all the gifts up. What have we been doing today?
We had a sleep-in.
It's Sunday today, and it is 15:38. And we're having a party today. In a few minutes, and we're getting all the gifts and everything ready, so when everyone gets here, we can give them all their presents. Isn't that fun?
Yeah. Do you have some sticky tape for me?
I have to help pack and wrap, so.
Yeah.
Hey då.
Är Kasper med C eller K? C? Vad säger du?
We just finished the party. It's 8:07. It was a big party. It was a lot of food, a lot of people, a lot of Swedish. How was it, Bear?
It was so good to see everyone. So good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
What did you have for the course?
Frukost, we had like lunch, early dinner.
Yeah.
It was good. It was pasta.
Are we having dinner
salad,
still tonight?
and, maybe a sandwich. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then cakes and ice cream cake.
So now we're gonna stay at Grandma's, and what are we doing tomorrow? Going down to Skåne?
No, Småland.
Småland, and then we're going to Småland tomorrow.
And then Halmstad. And then Skåne.
And then Halmstad. Oh my god, Halmstad for 3 days, dude. I am so excited. Are you excited? Beck?
I'm so excited. I'm trying to type a message.
I'm chilling with my friends over here. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hej då. Hej då, Sara.
Hejdå!
Hej då.
Hejdå.
Hej då.
Hejdå.
Ta må bra, hej. What are we doing, Bear?
Change the flag for the windfall before we start.
We're gonna put the flag down and put the night flag up.
Oh, the everyday.
The everyday, sorry.
Windfall.
Vimpel. I love this flag.
Hejdå!
We can go that way.
Yeah, we could. What's that? That's nothing. Are you good?
Hey, no, that was fun. Hey, hey.